What's up, guys? I'm back, and look at my doity room. But guess what we got? Ah! It's another package. I can't believe it. As in, yes. It is quite beautiful. I'm sorry for my outbreak. But not really. So yeah, as you just saw, I know how to edit. Cool. So, I guess let's open this guy's up with our pal, the scissors. Okay, I'm gonna just try and do this with one hand! My better hand, actually. Alright, I've been waiting for this guy for like a month. Surprising, but he was a pre-order, my first pre-order. Sad, I know, I'm using my foot. Look at this, this is saddening. Oh, I'm making progress. Ah, here we go. Now. Inside. Ooh! It's a little note from Toy Wiz. The guys who gave me this, definitely not sponsored, but I seem to have cut the top off. So I guess it just looks like some legal stuff in there. What the fuck? Oh, this thing better be worth it. It's $12 pre-order. I doubt he's worth it, but yeah, he was quite the thing to wait for, so what could be in here, huh? Interesting.